Hello, in this tutorial in C++, I want to show you the logical operators because we will use it in the future a lot. So let's get started. Make a integer value I equal 2 and make a bool b equal 0, so false. Now write out a few things like I and b, and write out A and B is true. Alright. Try something else. A or B. Write out A or B is true. Alright. Write out something else. If not A, write out not A is true. And if not B, write out that not B is true. Alright then, we just compile and run the program and see what's gonna happen. We don't need that, it is the file handling tutorial. Alright, G++, first the CPP, oh, not A, E. I don't know why I write A everywhere, but let's just rename it, it's quicker, and run the program. A or B is true and not B is true. So let's see why. Alright, if we use 2 and sign, not 1, then it is the AND, logical AND operator. It means if A and B is true, so both is true, actually not just both, because there could be any, so C, D, like that, we could use any of them. So if A and B is true, then this is true. Of course this is not, but because A is true but B is not true. Okay, but here A or B, it means A or B is true. A is true, B is not, but it not matter. Alright, this is the not operator, mean if it is true, then we convert it to false. If it is false, we convert it to true. A is true, so it's converted to false, so it is not true, it will not run, not write out this text. But B is 0 if we negate it, so not with not operator, then we get that this is true. And as you can see, it's write out these two. So if A or B is true, it is true because A is true, and not B is true because B is false, but we negate it, so B becomes true. Alright, these are the logical operators, and we use it them often. So we can use more complex expressions with these, like not A and not B, like that. Careful, because there is 2 and sign. If you put 1 and sign, it means bitwise AND operation. We don't want that. We want a logical AND operation. Alright, the not operator, so it is actually a exclamation point. It has a bigger precedence, actually smaller. According to the Wikipedia, although it has bigger and mean, it will make this first, and first it will make a not A, it will become false, and not B, it becomes true, and then the A with and then the AND, which becomes false in this case because it both have to be true. So if A and then not B, and this will be true. So write out A and not B is true. Alright, then save it, compile the program, run it, and as you can see I mistyped the letter, but doesn't matter really. So it becomes true because both becomes true. You can use other so you can make complex expression with these. Actually, make another just to clarify everything. So make not A or B and make it count false because it becomes false. Alright, and as you can see it's not right out, so it is false. And actually that's it. These are the logical operators. The AND, there is two AND sign. The OR, there is two vertical line. I don't know the name of it, but it is. And there is the exclamation point, which actually negate. Of course you can use parentheses to make the order, so you can change the order, like not A or B. This means it's first A or B. It is true because A is true and only one has to be true. All of them can be false, and we negate it, so it is true, negate it, so it becomes false. A and B, like that, it means that A and B is false because all of them have to be true, but there is a zero, so it is false, and negate it, and actually it becomes true. So that's it. You can make more complex expression with it, but for now it is enough for us, and thanks for watching and have a great day.